Yes, now we are discussing about oil and gas business. In that today we are discussing about cooking gas cylinders. Cooking gas cylinders is yet another good metal related business idea that an investor can start. Cooking gas cylinders are used in all countries of the world, and this goes to show that there is a great market for cooking gas cylinders. If you are interested in starting a cooking gas cylinder production business, you should follow the expected standard in order to penetrate the global market. Next point is HP gas, the HPCL brand of liquefied petroleum gas, popularly known as cooking gas, is a mixture of hydrocarbons which are gaseous at normal temperature but can be liquefied at moderate pressure and can be stored in cylinders as a liquid under pressure and is drawn out and used as gas. And next point is which gas is used in cylinder for cooking. Liquefied petroleum gas, also known as propane or butane, is also flammable mixture of hydrocarbons used as gas fuel in heating appliances, cooking equipment and vehicles. Next point is how do you make a gas cylinder? First, locate the nearest gas agency office that services your area. Every area has an agency office which supplies cylinders for the company in that particular area. Collect an application form of new gas connection from the gas agency office. And next point is LPG gas or liquid stored under pressure as a liquid in a gas bottle and turns back into gas vapor when you release some of the pressure in the gas bottle by turning on your gas appliance. And the next point is which gas is present in gas cylinder. Colloquially known as cylinder gas, LPG, that is liquefied petroleum gas, is a source of energy used for cooking, heating and lighting. LPG is a colorless and odorless gas. And next point is how long does 5 kg gas last? One month, minimum 1 month and maximum is 2 months. And next point is what gas is for BBQ? Propane gas. Most modern barbecues run off propane gas, so I just need to buy a propane gas cylinder. Yes, but there are two types of propane cylinder. Next point is how long does a 13 kg gas cylinder last? A 13 kg cooking gas bottle will last from about 8 days to 74 days depending upon burner size and amount of use. If you use a small 5 mg burner for 30 minutes per day, the gas bottle will last 74 days. If you use a large 15 mg work style burner for 90 minutes per day, the gas bottle lasts 8 days. This is the information regarding gas cylinders. Cooking gas cylinders are most important in every home, so we should consider these, and the business is also very good, but we should take so much of licenses and permissions, and corporate permissions are also most important, and government permissions. All these are important. We should do this business with the regulations and terms and conditions of agreement and agreements with government and corporations also. Wishing you all the best.